we also have 50 other phytonutrients. And one of those key phytonutrients is called phytotryptophan. Phytotryptophan is important for us because, Kurt, you talked about stress relief. That's one of the things that phytotryptophan does, is it helps our body deal with stress. So it is a stress reducer. It tends to help with anxiety or depression, and it just increases our emotional state, which is obviously important. It can help to some degree manage pain. I wouldn't call this a pain relief scenario, but it does add to your ability to manage pain. It also creates serotonin, and serotonin helps us to sleep better. It's a neurotransmitter that helps us to sleep better because we're being relaxed, and our stress is relieved to a great degree. So now we can promote serotonin and we get better sleep. So that is those are the interesting and so vital things about phytotryptophan. But we have other I mentioned that the protein that we have in the Helix grain is complete protein. But in addition, we have several other of the amino acids, including L-arginine. And L-arginine is important for us because it's a vasodilator. So what that means is it helps our veins to open. And when our veins open, and it does that by relaxing the muscles around your veins. That's how it does it. Because when we're stressed and under pressure, our muscles actually kind of clench, and that keeps our veins smaller. And when we relax those muscles, our veins can open up better, and we get better blood circulation, and our blood pressure goes down. So that's another benefit of the Helix grain, is that it reduces blood pressure.
It is by far one of the most comprehensive products that I've ever been exposed to. And I'll tell you what's so interesting is that, we're hearing this, phytotryptophan, we're hearing, L-arginine, which a lot of us in nutrition are familiar with. The interesting thing is these are things that are found naturally in the natural components of this product. They're not sprinkled and added in after the fact, as is every other product that I've seen on the market. So that's the most intriguing thing to me, that this really is, whole food based nutrition. I mean, if we sat for hours and days and weeks and thought, well, how could we, come up with natural components that would have these benefits? I don't think we could find anything better than this, attributable not only to the careful ratio, but also the fact that the cultivar itself, which is really, it actually is a version of the chia plant, but a special version,